and welcome to how to make chocolate chip cookies. Here we have chocolate chip cookies. I tried to perfect the recipe, and I have the recipe written over here. Okay, so chocolate chip cookies. So I measured in grams. So you kind of want to get yourself a scale. The scale I find works better, more accurate. Some stuff is in tablespoons and teaspoons, so be prepared to use that as well. So the chocolate chip cookies, we're going to start with 200 grams of unsalted butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to brown it. So you're going to put the butter on medium heat here. It's going to bubble and foam, and you want to take a spoon and like stir it consistently. And you're going to wait until it turns like slightly brown. You don't want to burn it too much. And then you want to pull it off the heat, and you want to put 2 tablespoons of cold water in it. And I just throw that in this mixing bowl right here. I use a KitchenAid mixer. So that's what I use. And then in the bowl, we're going to put 200 grams of white sugar, 250 grams of brown sugar. We're going to use 4 eggs in total, but you're just going to use 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg yolks. Let's see. 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of salt. I use sea salt. 300 grams of flour. I used all-purpose. And then for chocolate chips, I use 285 grams, or like the whole bag. Let's see. So this is the chocolate chips I use. I like dark chocolate, so this is a oat milk 75% cacao, and that's 10 ounces or 285 grams, but these taste great. So anyways, where are we? You don't want to roll the balls too big. Let's see. What else are we gonna do? The batter is gonna be kind of watery, so you're gonna put the batter in the freezer, probably for like 5 hours at least. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let's see. I do it until it's like slightly brown. And then this makes about maybe like 20 plus cookies. Okay. It makes about 20 cookies, but like when you're waiting for the I put the dough back in the freezer while I'm waiting in between rounds of cookies. You know, when you put the sheets in the oven and then you're waiting. So I just make sure I put that batter in the freezer, cuz it's just better. And then I sprinkle a little salt on top of each ball. Let's see. And I think that's it. And that's my cookie recipe. So yeah, this I've been working on for the past couple of months, and I've been just perfecting it. And this is the actual cookie. It's pretty nice. I think this is like my best batch so far. It's really good. And that's my cookie recipe. Bye.